Me take control of your body, baby.
Ang ganda.
Rayanne Chesney. What up, Rayanne? Virginia Queen.
Ayan, na-mute ko na siya. Pwede na ako magsalita. Kasi kinabahan ako kanina. Hindi ko siya naintindihan, be. Tapos ang taas ng energy niya. Ay, Engineer Waldy, kay Roswell, kay Marvel.
Boosting gloves. Here we go, y'all. There we go. Everything we drop right now can be times 5, chat. Everything can be times 5. Let's crush them. Take that win streak. Don't wait. Galaxies, money guns, Lions.
Ayan, numiyot ko na muna siya. Ayan. Ala, si Marvel. Hi, Marvel. Thank you. Parang hindi naman niya mahahabol yan. Mahahabol yan. Ate Luzon! Thank you! The bangus is bangusing! Nakakakaba pala. Ayokong pag ibang bansa. Nakakatakot pala sila. Ayan. 18 seconds na lang, guys. Last 8. Hi, Pat! I miss you! I will see you! Yung usapan natin, yes. Huy, Pat, yung tinatanong ko sa'yo. Di pa nag-respond. Hi, Rem! Thank you so much! Hey, Catherine Joy! Grabe, thank you, Ninang. Hi, Torong! Hi! Ala! Thank you so much, Monaira! Ay, ala, natalo tayo, ti! Tinatalo tayo, ti! Natalo!
The damn money guns hit!
I lost!
And I can tell that you're a wild type. Big Daddy King Jason is a nympho. Crush him! Everybody give Jason a follow. King Jason just rocking and rolling it this morning, y'all. MVP with another boosting glove back. Amanda Marie, thank you. Melissa, thank you. Amber Lynn, thank you. Ans, Ash, Sutton, Jason, thank you. And Trixie.
Yes.
Damn, good battle.
Thank
we
you
hit
so
a times
much.
5.
You did great. That was amazing.
We had 1 times 5 hit at the end.
I'm sorry?
We had a times 5 on our boosting glove hit at the very end.
Oh, that's how it is. I really don't know about how it works, honestly.
You have boosting glove? Yeah. If your chat throws a boosting glove and they throw any gifts during that boosting glove, it gives you a maybe times 5.
Ah, okay. So if there's a boosting glove, then that's times 5.
If maybe you have a chance of getting a times 5.
Oh.
So you should have a lot of gloves. Somebody up there, 18 game winner, you should have a lot of gloves.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah, and throw your gloves.
I really don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna win, but I'll try. Okay.
Yeah, me either. We don't ever know. We just have fun having fun.
Okay.
Thanks for battling us with a big streak. That's a good streak to have.
Yeah, you got all my nuggets.
All your nuggies.
Yeah.
Jason got them all. Jason eating them nuggies up.
Jason, it's your fault.
Huh?
It's Jason's fault.
King Jason in the house.
Yeah.
He says Jason's fault. Guys, everybody, I'm doing good. Jonathan Fields, good to see you, my brother. Amber Lynn, thank you, baby. Jason, thank you.
Pag nakita ko yun si Jason, kukotongan ko yan. Jason, na naman magtago ka na.
Jason, Amanda, give me all those kisses.
I'm looking for Jason. Where are you, Jason?
We've had this song on friggin' repeat this morning. Let's keep our win streak. There's Ashley the Queen Radford swinging in. Jason's got 90 boosting gloves, at least 90. Jason, will you throw one of your boosting gloves on speed challenge?
No.
And throw one of them at 30s. Oh my God, it's a triple. Yes, throw one at speed. Yeah. Kelly, we're just hanging out this morning, having a good time. Trying to keep our win streak growing. We have not had an 18-game win streak. It's been like forever since we've had an 18-game win streak. Nah. Guys, we need 4 roses quick. Everybody roses quick. Flood the chat, roses quick. 99 people in the chat. Good to see y'all this morning. Everybody make sure y'all hit the plus sign up top. I try to make sure I follow everybody back, you guys. Give me a follow, I'll give you a holla. Let's go. All right, who's getting wild with us? Here we go. Who's got a boosting glove for me in the chat?
3 minutes na naman, tapos may boosting.
Everybody go, 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 go. Jonathan, Amanda, Tatted, Amy, Thank you for the
Ayun,
follow,
dude.
Amy. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Jeff. Everybody rocking.
Ay,
Kelly!
Uy, ano?
Sad!
Na-realize ko, mahal pala. Wag mo.
Amy Lister!
Kuha naman niya na
We
yung
got a boosted
natin.
glove up. Boosted glove is up. They've ever said that's your first gift ever, Amy? Amy, get in here. Snuggle up in my pocket. Amy's first gift ever. Get in there. Get in there and snuggle up. Let's go, y'all. We got everything times 3. Everything you throw right now is multiplied times 3 to get our score up and rocking. Let's go, Tatted with the Donnies.
Saan ba yung boosting glove? Hindi ko rin alam kung saan.
Who's coming with me this morning?
Ay, Pami.
Have your body shaking, you gon' get it wrong.
The boosting
Oh my God, you guys. Are we gonna give him our win streak? Who's gonna charge up and get wild? You're a singer? You're a singer?
Yeah, I do sing.
They said play your song. I gave you a follow back.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, sure.
Are you on Apple Music?
Yeah, it's already on Spotify and all of the streaming platform, but it's okay. You don't really have to listen to it.
Well, I want to. Is that okay?
Yeah, but that's not English.
It's okay. It's all right.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Well, I mean, first off, just so you know, I actually have I have a translator inside my house because I have friends from Brazil that I have to use a translator for. So even though I won't understand it right this second, later I can put my transmitter to the phone and it will transmit, or it'll
that's nice.
It'll interpret for me, right? But listen, you won. I won one game. You won one game. Let's do a tiebreaker.
Kaya pa ba? I'll check. Hold on. I'll think about it. Ano, mag-iisa pa tayo. Okay.
All right. What's your song?
You
Somebody in the chat.
Just search my name. Just put in there Vrix,
Okay,
Vrix. Then my last name is Galliano, like John Galliano. Gallano. Yeah, you've seen it. It's okay if you cannot see it. It's fine.
I can't see it on Apple Music.
It's in there though.
Okay, hold on. That's all good. All good. Do you want to do a tiebreaker round?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Or no?
Just one game. It's okay.
It's up to you.
It's okay.
Yeah. We both already lost our win streaks.
Yes, we do. We both are.
Oh, I'm typing it in wrong. I'm sorry, I'm typing it in wrong. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay, nawalan na rin naman yung 18 kanina. Nag-start na tayo sa isa. So,
I found you. There it is. I found you.
You see me?
Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, I just added you. Perfect. And then we're going to play it. Why not?
Umisa pa.
First gift is triple.
Ayan.
Love you, Robin. Amanda.
Kinakabahan ako. Laban tulis mo.
Ayoko na naman.
Yeah.
Jenny! Jenny! Here, my little kitty. I miss you.
Ayun na siya. Sabi sa'yo, Tim.
Jenny!
Bigyan si Janice ko.
Give me that kitty.
Pag-init na aking dala. Gusto na kita na mapasakit. Dalhin mo ang bawat bulong. Ang yanig na parang may daluyong. Kumapit ka. Wala na kung maglasan to sumamba ka. Laki lang kita na nasa pantasya.
Guys, this is his song. I'm playing his song right now.
Yeah, that's my dog. Thank you.
Sayang hangin mo yung kako'y nakala. Ang nalagay sa paraiso na walang hanggang masaya. Huwag ka nang hihinto.
Hindi kinakabahan ako diyan. Taas na nakahabang hindi. Okay na yan.
Ayaw mo na namin yung
Malala.
Hawak ko yung kamay kasi lumabay sa ating paghinay.
Mama, I love you.
Guys, we need 6 roses. 6 roses. Everybody come together. Everybody, roses, roses, roses. Go, 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 go. Go! It's okay. We missed it. We need a boosting glove, Chad. Has anybody got a boosting glove? Everybody better be making sure you following my damn South Carolina kitty cat. Jenny D, you know me. Amanda Marie, Amber Lynn. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Bakit ako nagpupunta dito sa ganitong pesto? Sinyaga yung live. Tingnan mo. Alam mo rin ano yan? Electric. Alam, may boost. Ala, Ate Lizelle, thank you po. Philip. Ala, Mami! I love you, thank you!
Do we have a boosting glove? Do we have a boosting glove?
Thank you po, Ate James.
Alicia, throw your boosting glove. Somebody's got a boosting glove. Ashley, Jenny D. Who's got a boosting glove? Somebody out there's got to have one.
Last 1 minute.
John, you got a boosting glove, Johnny boy.
Ate Penny! Thank you! Hello. Alex, hindi ko na rin. This is so stressful.
We need a team Snipe Flower Girl. That's a good song. That is a really good song. Really good beat, too.
Thank you so much.
I'm excited to listen to the rest of it.
Ayun na, last 20 seconds. Ala, tipid. Ayun na. Sa kay QMU. Uy, baka naubos na yung okay lang, ha?
They have got fired up.
If this world was mine. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drive it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Monair. To the rescue sila.
MVP on our side, Jenny D, the queen from South Carolina, Amanda Marie, Amber Lynn, Haley, Crystal, Robin. Thank you all so much, y'all. Seriously. All the new friends, all the new follows. Thank you guys for all the follows. Make sure I check out all your content. Try to follow y'all back. Thank you so much.
That is so exciting. Yeah, thank you so much for that game, Chris.
Hey, let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again sometime, okay?
What time is it there?
It's already 10:23 in the evening.
Okay, so it's we're 12 hours. We're 12 hours apart.
Yes, 12 hours apart. I think you're advanced. Or
so I'm 10:23 in the morning right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a morning time. Coffee.
Oh, that's why you're there. Okay.
Yeah, 10:23. So hopefully, I'm on every morning, every day this time usually right now. So hopefully we see each other. Let's have fun again.
Sure, no problem. I'll see you soon.
All right, great.
Bye-bye.
All right, have a great day. I'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
All right, see you.
Hindi nang... Ayoko na nun. Uy, thank you so much po dun sa mga nagbigay. Ano ba yung mga pinagagawa natin? Huwag na tayong alam mo, hindi magandang nag-match. Magra-random lang tayo, pero pag nagsabi sila ng match, no. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-send kanina. Okay na to, nakaka-nervous yung ganun. Iba yung kaba ko. Parang yung, alam mo yung lahat ng pawis ko lumabas. Uy! Na-stress yung puso ko dun bisa ka ba? Aralin na natin ang mga boosting na Sabi ni Lawi, aralin na natin yung mga booster na yan. Nagalit na sila. Yan po, hi Dinor Aida, I love you, I miss you. Wag na mag-battle, nakaka-nervous. Totoo. Yung kaba ko ang lala. Kami din. Hi Zen! Pabado 30. Tutu. Uy! Nagising na ang lahat, totoo. So technically, nagigising talaga. I mean, kapag naka-boost times 5. May lamok. Nag-rank sa TikTok eh. Ay, ganun yun? Hindi ko yun alam. In all fairness. Ang intense nung laban. Yung kanina times 3. Hello?
Oh, hello.
Hi. Where are you from?
Hi. I'm from South Korea. Put your screen. No.
I'm sorry? My screen?
Yes, your screen lagging.
Ano daw?
Yes, so...
You have your own lion.
Yes, I'm lying. Because my long hair and my brown eyes lion too.
Oh, you look like a cat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You do.
Thank you.
Do you sing? Do you sing?
You sing? Sing?
Sing.
Sing? Oh, no.
Do you
I don't know. Yes. 근데 레깅이라서 왜 화면이 안 나오지? 우리 브릭.
They told me that you're a fitness model. Nawala siya, te. Ba't siya nawala, te? Lag ka daw. Lag ka raw da. Ayaw kang kausap da, totoo. Kahit ako, ayoko din kausap yung sarili ko eh. Sabi ko nga, tawang-tawa ako dun sa yung sa, anong content ba yun? Yung sarili mo lang yung kakampi mo. Ayoko nyan! Ayokong kakampi yan! Isa pa yun, tatanga-tanga yan! Tawa ako sa mic.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Rix.
Wix, right?
What's your name?
Wix. My name Tongsha.
Tongsha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
สวัสดีครับ
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 พี่นาราสวัสดีครับวันนี้เป็นไงบ้างขายครีมเป็นไงบ้างพี่นารา
I don't know what it means.
I talk with my family.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
You sing? Do you sing?
No.
What do you do in TikTok?
Just train viral something like that.
I'm sorry, again?
Train viral about if this time have some video viral. I just do that.
I always go to Thailand. Yeah, it's nice there. But it's hot.
Yeah, really
yeah,
hot.
It's hot. Yeah.
ทุกคนครับช่วยกันขอหน้าสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Yeah, this mean hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
What if I want to say, how are you?
คุณสบายดีไหม
I'm sorry, once again?
สบายดีไหม
สบายดีไหม
Yes.
Okay.
สบายดีไหม is mean how are you?
Is it
Hello.
hard?
Sorry?
Is it hard? Of course hindi. I'm sorry. Can I hear it one more time?
Yeah. If you wanna say hello, you can say สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Yes. How are you is สบายดีไหม
สบายดีไหม
Yes, that's perfect.
Thank you. At least I learned something in Thai. Do you watch Miss Universe?
No.
You don't? Why?
Yeah, I don't.
It's gonna happen there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't see Miss
not
Universe.
Okay.
Just sometime, okay. I will know about when someone win, but I don't have connection connect. Yeah. คูณ 3 นะคะพี่ๆครับพี่ๆครับส่งตอนนี้คูณ 3 everyone is triple point let's go
What does Chanrakun mean?
I love you that mean I love you ฉันรักคุณ
Chanrakun.
yes
Okay. How do you say I love you too?
ฉันรักคุณเหมือนกัน true it เหมือนกัน
Again, I'm sorry.
ฉันรักคุณเหมือนกัน
Salakun
เหมือนกัน yes
Okay.
or it is short word is เหมือนกัน เหมือนกัน
It's hard.
เหมือนกันขอบคุณครับน้องนุ่นขอบคุณครับเอาละใกล้ถึงยอดแล้ว
It's hard. I'll just say it in English. It's okay. It's hard. Have you been
โนไม่
here?
รักหรอ sorry
Have you been here to the Philippines? Not yet.
not yet
Oh. You don't want to go out of the country?
I want but no plan now
Okay.
yes
Last 1 minute. Okay.
wow his eyes นะพี่นุ่นพี่พลอยพี่โต้ครับพี่ต้าวครับพี่ฟ้าใสครับขอบคุณพี่ๆทุกคน thank you so much everyone
Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.
see you have a good day bye bye
Bye-bye.
ขอบคุณครับ
Ang hirap ng kausap pala. I love you, Dada. I love you too. Ay, Angie, sumakit ulo ko da. Same. Raikon to, Penny. Yan lang yung alam ko dun kasi narinig ko saan. Ay, kay Chichi. Hi po. Hi, Liza. Dada, ano pong pwedeng gawin kapag namimiss mo siya? Ano, dasal ka na lang, be. Na mamiss ka din. Ganyan. Hi kay Phoebe Grace. Tara dito, Ilocos. Ayaw ko. Hi, Rian! Ano ba yung kanta? Isipan. Marunong ka ba mag-Ilocano? Hindi. Ano lang. Marunong lang ako mang-away. Oo. Gusto mo awayin kita? Hi. Balik ka ng Borada. Wala man akong gagawin doon. Tsaka ayaw nagro-roro. What's your current content now? May content? Wala. Wala nga akong content, kaya nga malungkot ako eh. Oh, hindi. Hindi. Hello. Dito ka sa LU pumunta. Ito naman, ang dami niya ng boy. Iba yun, sabi ni Call Me Marie. Ay, Thea. Punta ka. Hi, Bet. Guys, hanggang 11 na lang live ko. Tapos magbabantay na ako ng mundo. Hi kay Rachel. Thank you so much. Hi kay Ryan. Alam nyo mamaya, kapag katapos nito, tapos kung ano-ano na namang mga ipapost nyo sa aking masasakit, tatawanan ko lang kayo talaga. Ganyan lang ako. Ganyan. Mga post yung hindi magaganda, reply ko lang talaga yun. Ganyan. Tapos di ko na kayo papansin. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Nahanapan nyo ko ng butas. Yan naman ko to butas. Na-SS ko yun. Hoy! Hi, Miss pa. Hi, Ate Grace. Hi, where you bricks? So, as much as possible, if there's nothing na magandang lalabas sa bunganga mo, itahimik mo na lang. Especially kapag regarding other people's talent. Ganyan. For example, sumasayaw siya pero may konting lapses, it's okay. Everything will be corrected sooner or later. Walang problema doon. Pag kumakanta siya tas hindi ganun kaganda yung boses niya, just let him sing. Let's boost each other up. Pero this time, since wala pa, gawan ko ng paraan. Ganun. Isipin mo na kapag release tayo ng 4 na kanta. Bunga ng live selling. Bunga ng live selling na kapag release ng 4 na kanta. Oh. Eh. Ano daw? Yes, control your words, kumbaga. Especially if it's gonna affect other people na ano. I love you so much. I love you. Yung kung makaka-apekto siya doon sa ibang tao, just not say it na lang. Like for example, yung ay, ang pangit ng boses niya. Ganun. Kasi dito sa TikTok, minsan, kapag kumanta ka dito, marami ditong judge na X Factor. Yung mga judge na X Factor, yung mga alam mo yung tipong hindi mo na alam kung TikTok pa ba to o reality show. Na yung kapag merong, hindi ganun kalinis ang boses niya. Ate, tawag ng tanghalan, di ba kumakanta lang sa live? Gigigil eh. Tapos sasayaw, hindi siya sa beat. Ay, di ikaw ang sumayaw. Kaya yung ibang mga bata, hindi na sila sumasayaw, hindi na sila kumakanta kasi nag-i-start pa lang sila, yung bunganga nyo, hindi nyo na napigil. Tinapakan nyo na agad. Samantalang sa ibang bansa, alam mo yung hindi. Laganap din talaga yung ganyang ugali. Wala pa lang bansa-bansa. Pupunta ka sa June 8, yes po. Ayan, 11-11. Anong 11-11? Pupunta ka ba sa June 8? Yes. Mini concert for Akos. Concert ka na mga artista. Ano daw? 4 more song release para 8-track album na. Totoo, 8 song. Isang album na yung 8 song, no? Sheesh. Sana kahit isa doon, sa 8 song na yun may pumatok, no? Alam mo bang munti ka nang sumukong puso ko. Ayan, Ipay. I love you all so much, guys. Mag-end live na ako. End live na po ako. Pero hindi naman ako mawawala. Andito pa din naman ako, be. Kasi iniisip ko lang naman, kapag ito pag nawala ako, sino nang kalaban nyo? Mada na. Boring ang buhay. Ayan. Pag umalis ako, maboboard kayo, be, kasi wala na kayong mabash. Kasi aminin nyo, may nakaka-excite yung ginaganyan-ganyan nyo ako. Ayan, so hindi ako mawawala. Ayan. Go, kasi araw-araw ninyo, go ahead! Joke lang. I love you. Ayan. Hi, Ate Cheryl. Tapos mamaya, iba na naman ang Hi, Dada, Hamish you too. I love you too. Hi, Sizay. Pa 3 million ka muna. Hindi na. Kamusta yung book of life mo? Ito. Hindi to. Ito. Yung iba dito ayaw na magpayakap, so gumagano na sila. So hayaan mo. Makaganyan lang. Bala kayo dyan. Hi, Ann. Good night, Dad. Good night. I love you. Sisilungan kahit ako'y mabasa, basta dito ka lang. Ngiti sa iyong mga labi, hindi mapapawi. ikaw sa mga tanong na minsan ay di ko na mawali. Char. Sa damdamin mo. Mali pala yung lyrics ko, be. I love you, Dada. I love you too. Anong tawag sa haircut mo? Tumubo na yung buhok ko, be. Alam mo ba, minsan sa isang linggo, 2 beses ako nagpapagupit or minsan every 2 weeks ako nagpapagupit kasi sobrang bilis niyang lumago. So pinapanipisan ko siya kasi kapag makapal siyang ganyan, pag ganun. So ang laki ng mukha ko tignan. Kaya ayun. Kanta ka about sa live selling journey mo. Eh? Huwag na. Take care of yourself. Yes. Kailangan kong alagaan yung sarili ko para maalagaan ko kayo. Kasi kapag hindi ko inalagaan yung sarili ko, paano ko kayo aalagaan? Same goes with you. Pag hindi kayo natulog, pag kinain niya kayo ng anxiety, paano na nyo ako mamamahalin? Diba? Kapag kayo nagpakain kayo sa sama ng loob, tapos hindi ka na nakapag-work, sinong kawawa? Family natin, diba? So, yun. So, as much as possible, huwag dagdagan ng stress ng mga nagtatrabaho. Hayaan nyo na yung stress sa inyo na lang. Ang dami nagtatrabaho dito, tapos ito yung ginagawa nilang pahinga. So, huwag nang dagdagan ang sakit ng ulo ng mga tao. Ako na lang mangangaway sa inyo para sumakit yung ulo nyo kasi kontrabid. Hello na. Hello, Dada. I love you po. Hi, Gekis. Hi, Lawi. Miss you. Miss ko na din po kayo. Yung Vrikshan. Yes, andito pa naman. Ano lang yan, parang nananahimik lang sila. Pero when the time is right, they will come out. Ganun. Ay, Ate Mayi Moko. Hi, Chuchay. Thank you so much. Nighty-night. Sleep na po ikaw. Ito na. I love you. Call me Marie. Kay Yoj. Hi po. Wait natin yung 11:11 na yun. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang sarap ng tulog ko kagabi. Tapos pagising ko, wala na akong sipon. Wala na akong ubo. Dana. I miss pa. Hi, Sachi. Sleep na. Basta love ka namin sobra. I love you too. Kasi alam mo ba, feeling ko, kaya minsan, ayoko rin nagsasalita ng galit. Tapos ayoko rin nagsasalita ng masaya. Kasi kapag nagsalita ako ng galit, I might say things na hindi ko miningin or I might do things na baka pagsisihan ko. Kaya as much as possible, let us not, let's take a breather, tas tsaka tayo mag-react. Ganun. Kasi madaling mag-react eh. Pero mahirap mag-respond. Yun the way you respond. Ay po, thank you. Tanggal pagod. Yes. Marunong ka Ilonggo? Hindi. Marunong lang ako magmahal kasi mamahalin kita. Ay po. Ay PB. I miss you too. Oy, nakadas na. That night, I love you. I love you so much. I will all see you soon. Love you. Is bump. Good night. Magbabantay pa ako ng mundo.